Don't try to force AI to give you the perfect answer on the first try. That's the wrong way to do it. You need to use a strategy I call panning for gold. In technical terms, it's called divergent expansion. Think of the AI as a muddy river. You need to let a lot of water flow through to find the gold nugget. Instead of asking, write me a headline for my blog, ask, write me 20 different headlines ranging from funny to serious. Here's the reality: 10 of them are going to be garbage. 4 of them will be meh, but 1 or 2, those will be the nuggets of genius that you would have never thought of. But here's the danger: if you make your pan too big, the AI breaks. If you ask for 500 historical examples, the AI will start hallucinating, making up facts just to hit your number. The sweet spot: ask for about 5 to 10 options. That's enough to find the gold, but not enough to break the machine. Pan the river, grab the gold, ignore the mud.